In today's video we're going to be doing a full face of Five Below makeup. You guys must remember I did do a Five Below haul like a couple of months ago, and we're actually gonna do the makeup tutorial trying all these items. The things here were $5. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jenz Beauty Style, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Let's get started. Some things are a little less than $5, like our first item here, which is BB cream, and it says it's an 81 prime, conceal, brighten, hydrate, smooth, even skin, oil control, anti-shine, boosts healthy glow, and this is in the shade light to medium. It's from the brand Smoke and Mirrors. Tough because I'm a full coverage girl. Ooh, that color looks dark. Oh wow, that is scented. That is pretty dark. These two here, well, actually I have several things to blend, but let's try this. This is a $4 Phase One Cosmetics foundation brush. One time I've tried brushes like this is from Amazon. I did a full face only using brushes like this. How cool is that? Feels so beautiful. Have you guys tried brushes like this? Oh yeah. Oh my god. This is so scented. It's crazy. It smells very, very powdery. I love how this blends. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. Cruelty free, and it's in 840B Light Ivory. I love Wet n Wild. It's like a nice light color. Oh, looks good. That looks good. I feel like mixing this all over just to like lighten up. Yeah, so let's just put this all over because we have to lighten this up. Looking much better now. To set this, I also have this Wet n Wild mattifying powder, Matte About You. It's Wet n Wild Take on the Day mattifying powder. Okay, this is what it looks like. I wouldn't be mad if it adds some like white cast. Usually that's not good, but still need to like lighten this up. I love that they had Wet n Wild over there. So it's doing a really nice job at mattifying the skin. The only thing I don't have is something for the brows, so I'm gonna go do my brows real quick. Eyebrows done. I'm so excited to use this palette because this is so beautiful, and this is the Beauty Intuition Contour and Highlight Palette, and it's $5. So let's open this up. Gorgeous, right? What we will be using for our blush and contour. Some beautiful colors here, nice and matte. You see this one for blush with this color here, Havana. See how that looks, or if it's gonna show up. Havana. Oh. Wow, that's like nothing. Try the a darker one here. Oh my god. Alright, we're gonna have to do lots and lots. Oh my god, no. I'm gonna switch brushes. See if I can blend this out. Really nice. I like that color. What is this? Get Out. Oh my god, have you guys seen that movie Get Out? It's so good. Obviously it's scary, that's why I love it. Moving on to the blush, and we're gonna use this color pink. Try to start with a light hand. So nice. I just love peach blushes, but this is a nice pink. It's not too harsh. Obviously you can make it more intense, just apply more. Look at this, it even has a cream. I noticed it all dirty because of the powders. I guess you can use that. That would be nice. If I didn't have powder already, I would try to put this on top and see. Should we? Let's do it. I just want to see if it brightens. Do you see a big difference? Just had to use it. Let's use the highlight. Highlight here, which is called Glow. Do you think it's gonna be blinding? Whoa, that is yellow. Yeah, that is yellow. I don't know how much you would love it if you're really like light skin, unless you just want a yellow highlight. Doesn't look bad. Not something that I would wear on an everyday basis. It is blinding. We'll go with it. So what if we have a yellow highlight? Oh, we have to use some of these brushes. I completely forgot. And they're so pretty. These were $5. Glam Tools, and it's a 4-piece cosmetic set. Pretty they are. It feels soft. The colors are really pretty. Never have enough brushes, right? I have these two palettes here. This one is by Beauty Treats and is the Modern Metallic Eye Collection, and it's cruelty free. This one is by Beauty Intuition and is the Love Struck Eyeshadow Palette. I believe they were both $5. This one says it right there. This one is very nice and neutral. It even comes with a little brush, so it's nice that they come protected. You don't have to worry about it being swatched in the store and stuff, which some people will still manage to. Pretty colors. For some reason, I feel like doing something purple. Let's do some swatches. Oh my god. Oh. Didn't swatch the best. Looks very nice there. They had so many palettes to choose from. We'll start with this one. I'm gonna use this color here for all over the lid. And I just put my brush like this and so much all out. Transition shade, I want to use this color right here. It's showing up, not bad. I'm going to try to use this brush here, dark purple. Alright, moving on to the next palette. This is the Beauty Treats Modern Metallic Eye Collection. I really hope this shows up. Aren't these colors just gorgeous? OMG. It's like I don't even want to swatch it. Alright, so I want to go with this purple here just to darken up the outer corner. I'm going with this one in the outer corner too. Taking this color right here with my finger. Oh, that's pretty. Oh my god, I think I'm obsessed with this palette. I want to take this color right here, also with my finger. I seriously cannot describe how obsessed I am with this palette. I mean, they perform so well. Try to find this. If you don't have any Five Below around, I will try to find this and link it down below. Can't wait to play with all those shades. On to liner, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Mega Liner Liquid Eyeliner. Line and define, and this is in the color Black Noir. I'm so picky with my eyeliner, though I suck at applying eyeliner. We all know that. This is what it looks like. Oh my god. Don't even look there. Listen, you can't say I didn't warn you. It's bad, okay? I am a lefty, that's my excuse. This is nice. This, we have the Smoke and Mirrors Lash Curly Mascara Intense Lash. This was $3. Smudge Free Lengthening. Oh, look at that. It reminds me like of a crab leg. I'm hoping this is good. Okay. Look at that, isn't that crazy? I'm not even gonna try to fix that eye. I feel like the brush doesn't have product. I'm gonna apply some lashes. We're gonna be using this Smoke and Mirrors Lips Velvet Matte 5-piece. Which color should we use today? I really think I'm gonna use this beautiful purpley one. Why not, right? I think it would go really nicely. So excited to see the formula on these. Like, imagine if it's amazing. Swatch. I'm a nude kind of girl, but this color is gorgeous. It's so pretty. See it slowly drying down to a matte. I really feel like I want to do another makeup look with some other colors here and try now one of these other lipsticks. I had to recommend anything from this video. You already know it would have to be this Beauty Treat modern metallic eyeshadow collection. This eyeliner was very good. Definitely I would pass up on the brushes, would pass up on this palette here. The mascara I would pass up on. This is good. I wouldn't say I die for it like that eyeshadow palette, but this is pretty good. I am impressed. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, click the little notification bell, that way you will be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.